If you want to install Google Chrome on Windows 11, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the safest and easiest way to download and install Chrome on your Windows 11 PC step by step, using the official website so you can avoid fake download links and shady third-party sites. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge. Windows 11 already comes with Edge built in, so the easiest way to get started is to launch it from your Start menu or click the Edge icon on your taskbar if it's already there. Once Edge opens, you'll see the address bar at the top of the browser. Click inside that address bar and type Google Chrome download, then press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll see search results appear. What you want to do here is find the official Google Chrome download page. Make sure you choose the real Google website and not some random third-party download page. This part is important because unofficial sites can sometimes bundle unwanted software or lead you to unsafe downloads. So take a second, look for the official Chrome page, and open it. Once you're on the official Chrome website, you'll see a button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click that button. After you click it, the Chrome installer file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few moments. You'll usually see the download progress in the browser, and once it finishes, the setup file will be saved to your downloads folder. Next, run the installer. Open the downloaded setup file from your browser downloads bar or from the downloads folder on your computer. When Windows asks if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. That permission is normal and required for installing software on Windows 11. After that, Chrome will begin installing automatically. In most cases, you don't need to do anything else. The installer handles the setup for you in the background, and Chrome should open once the installation is complete. From there, you can sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across devices, or you can start browsing right away, and that's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Windows 11 using the official download page. It's a quick process, and now you have one of the most popular browsers installed and ready to use. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.